A fiery beginning, cayenne pepper's surprising power. Did you know that a single teaspoon of cayenne pepper packs as much vitamin A as a half cup of spinach? That's right, this fiery little pepper is more than just a spice rack staple. It's a nutritional powerhouse with a rich history and a surprising array of health and beauty benefits. Get ready to uncover the shocking secrets of cayenne pepper. From its ability to boost metabolism and soothe inflammation to its power to enhance skin health and add zest to your favorite dishes. This isn't just about adding heat to your life. It's about adding health, vitality, and a touch of spice to every aspect of your well-being. Let's turn up the heat and explore the fascinating world of cayenne pepper. Unveiling the secrets, your cayenne pepper journey starts now. For centuries, cayenne pepper has been revered for its medicinal properties and culinary versatility. From the ancient healers of South America to modern-day kitchens around the world, this fiery spice has earned its place as a true gift of nature. In this exploration of cayenne pepper's shocking secrets, we'll delve into its remarkable health benefits, uncover its surprising beauty applications, and discover easy and delicious ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. We'll trace its historical journey across continents, explore its cultural significance in different cuisines, and examine the latest scientific research that confirms its potent properties. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer power packed into this tiny pepper. Your journey into the world of cayenne pepper begins now. Cayenne pepper for a healthy body. From metabolism to pain relief, cayenne pepper is a versatile spice that offers numerous health benefits. Cayenne pepper's claim to fame lies in its active ingredient, capsaicin, a powerful compound that gives it its characteristic heat and offers a wealth of health benefits. This fiery component is what makes cayenne pepper a staple in both culinary and medicinal practices. One of the most well-known benefits of capsaicin is its ability to boost metabolism and aid in weight management. This makes it a popular choice for those looking to enhance their diet and fitness routines. By increasing thermogenesis, the process of heat production in the body, cayenne pepper helps burn calories more efficiently. This means that incorporating cayenne pepper into your meals can help you achieve your weight loss goals faster. But the benefits don't stop there. Cayenne pepper's health advantages extend far beyond just metabolism. Cayenne pepper is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent, helping to reduce pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for those suffering from chronic pain. It can even help alleviate digestive discomfort by stimulating digestive juices and promoting regularity. This means that a pinch of cayenne pepper can go a long way in improving your overall digestive health. And if that wasn't enough, cayenne pepper has also been linked to improved heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving circulation, and even reducing the risk of blood clots. Incorporating this spice into your diet can contribute to a healthier heart and a longer life. Cayenne pepper for beauty, radiant skin and lustrous hair? Await. Believe it or not, the benefits of cayenne pepper extend beyond the realm of health and into the world of beauty. This fiery spice can do wonders for your skin and hair, thanks to its potent antioxidant and circulation-boosting properties. When applied topically, cayenne pepper stimulates blood flow to the skin, promoting a healthy, radiant glow. It can also help unclog pores, reduce inflammation, and fight acne-causing bacteria. For hair, cayenne pepper stimulates the scalp, encouraging hair growth and adding volume and shine. It can even help prevent hair loss by strengthening hair follicles and improving circulation to the scalp. So, the next time you're looking for natural beauty solutions, don't overlook the power of cayenne pepper. It might just be the secret to unlocking your most radiant self. Section 5. Spice up your life. Easy ways to enjoy cayenne pepper. Adding a dash of cayenne pepper to your daily routine is easier than you might think. This vibrant red spice can transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. Here are a few simple and delicious ways to incorporate this fiery spice into your life, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice. Spice up your meals. Sprinkle a pinch of cayenne pepper into soups, stews, chili, or marinades for a flavorful kick. It adds a depth of flavor that can elevate any dish. Boost your beverages. Add a dash of cayenne pepper to hot water with lemon for a metabolism-boosting morning drink. This combination not only wakes up your taste buds but also kickstarts your day. Make your own snacks. Create a healthy and flavorful trail mix with nuts, seeds, and a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. It's a perfect way to enjoy a spicy snack on the go. Remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to cayenne pepper. Its potent heat can be quite intense, so use it sparingly at first. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the quantity as your tolerance builds. This way, you can enjoy the spice without overwhelming your palate. With its versatility and potent properties, cayenne pepper is a simple yet powerful addition to a healthy and vibrant lifestyle. Embrace the heat and enjoy the myriad of benefits it brings to your table. Section 6. A Global Legacy, Cayenne Pepper's Journey Through Time and Culture. Cayenne pepper's history is as rich and vibrant as its flavor, a testament to its enduring appeal and versatility. For thousands of years, this fiery spice has played a vital role in cultures around the world, prized for its medicinal properties, culinary versatility, and cultural significance. It has been used to treat ailments, enhance flavors, and even as a symbol of cultural identity. Native to Central and South America, cayenne pepper was a staple in the diets of indigenous cultures long before it made its way to other parts of the world. These early civilizations cultivated and revered the pepper, integrating it deeply into their daily lives and traditions. The ancient Aztecs used it not only as a food source but also as a form of currency and even as a key ingredient in medicinal remedies. They believed in its power to heal and invigorate, making it an essential part of their holistic health practices. With the arrival of European explorers in the 15th century, cayenne pepper embarked on a global journey, quickly becoming a sought-after commodity and a staple spice in cuisines around the world. Its journey across oceans and continents marked the beginning of its widespread influence. From the fiery curries of India to the spicy stews of Hungary, cayenne pepper has left its mark on culinary traditions across the globe, adding a touch of heat and complexity to countless dishes. Its ability to enhance and transform flavors has made it a beloved ingredient in kitchens everywhere. Section 7. Science Speaks, Cayenne Pepper Under the Microscope. Modern science continues to uncover the remarkable properties of cayenne pepper, confirming what traditional healers have known for centuries. Numerous studies have investigated the health benefits of capsaicin, the active compound in cayenne pepper, with promising results. Research has shown that capsaicin can effectively reduce pain by blocking pain signals to the brain. It has also been shown to improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices and promoting regularity. Furthermore, studies have linked capsaicin to improved heart health, demonstrating its ability to lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and even reduce the risk of blood clots. The scientific evidence is clear. Cayenne pepper is more than just a flavorful spice. It's a potent ally for promoting health and well-being. Section 8. Beyond the Heat Expert Opinions on Cayenne Pepper. Health experts and nutritionists around the world are recognizing the remarkable benefits of cayenne pepper, incorporating it into their recommendations for a healthier lifestyle. Dr. Andrew Weil, a renowned expert in integrative medicine, praises cayenne pepper for its ability to boost circulation and reduce inflammation. He recommends adding it to food as a natural way to improve digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. Nutritionist Joy Bauer highlights the metabolism-boosting properties of cayenne pepper, suggesting that it can be a helpful tool for weight management. She recommends adding a pinch to meals or beverages to increase thermogenesis and burn calories more efficiently. From its pain-relieving properties to its ability to boost heart health and enhance beauty, cayenne pepper is gaining recognition as a versatile and potent addition to a healthy lifestyle. Section 9. Embrace the heat cayenne pepper for a healthier, happier you. As we've discovered, cayenne pepper is more than just a spice. It's a gift from nature with a wealth of health and beauty benefits waiting to be unlocked. From boosting metabolism and soothing inflammation to enhancing skin health and adding zest to your favorite dishes, cayenne pepper offers a natural and delicious way to enhance your well-being. So, embrace the heat and incorporate this fiery spice into your daily routine. Start with a pinch, explore different culinary possibilities, and experience the transformative power of cayenne pepper firsthand. Your body will thank you for it. Section 10. Sharing the Fire. Spread the word about cayenne pepper's benefits. Now that you've uncovered the shocking secrets of cayenne pepper, it's time to share the fire. Spread the word about this amazing spice and its incredible health and beauty benefits. Tell your friends and family about its ability to boost metabolism, soothe inflammation, enhance skin health, and add flavor to countless dishes. Encourage them to try it in their own kitchens, experiment with different recipes, and experience the transformative power of cayenne pepper for themselves. Together, let's ignite a passion for healthy living, one fiery dash of cayenne pepper at a time.